Welcome today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and here on the right upper corner tap to the edit icon. And now, as can you see, we get here the two sections. Here are these icons with the green plus. We can then add here to our notification panel. Just hold for a while, and here tap to the plus on the right upper corner, and by this way you can add the icons here to your notification panel. And to remove, by the same way, just tap here on the right upper corner on your icon to the red minus icon, and as can you see, we got here these icons, and also we can just add them or remove. So that's how it looks. If you want, you can also change the positions of the icon. Just hold for a while and just change the position, drag it to the position where you want to add them, and then just tap to down and you will see all the changes. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.